So today we will be connecting a GE Z-Wave smart switch with a Samsung SmartThings Hub. When you buy a GE Z-Wave smart switch, the box will contain the following items: the GE Z-Wave smart switch, a product manual, and a flyer showing the GE Z-Wave product line. The GE Z-Wave smart switch receives its power by plugging it into a power socket. We open our SmartThings app on our mobile device. Under the section Things, we tap on Add a Thing. The Samsung SmartThings Hub's LED will blink green, indicating that it is in pairing mode. We proceed by plugging in the GE Z-Wave smart switch into a power socket. We press on the GE Z-Wave action button found at the front of the GE Z-Wave smart switch. The SmartThings app will indicate that it has found the GE Z-Wave smart switch. We tap on Rename Device. We rename the device name to Light as we plan to connect our GE Z-Wave smart switch with a lamp. We tap on Save. The SmartThings app will indicate that it has successfully paired the GE Z-Wave smart switch. We tap on OK. We have hereby successfully paired the GE Z-Wave smart switch with a Samsung SmartThings Hub.